If you're looking to attract those butterflies, there's no better annual to add, in my opinion, than the pentas. Pentas come in a range of colors, again, from pinks to whites to a rose color, and some purples as well. Now, this is an annual, but you can see how nice of a shrub it gets. It gets about 16 inches tall and about 12 inches wide. What makes this even better for Oklahoma is once that heat cranks up, it will tolerate it really well. And in fact, it actually handles drier conditions as well. The graffiti series is a new and improved series that you might look for specifically. Now, you can deadhead these to encourage it to continue to bloom all season, but it's not necessary. But the butterflies are just going to be all over this plant. It's a great Oklahoma proven annual.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.